There's been a couple times while photographing that I've asked myself, and actually I've received a question from a family member. Why are you doing this? Why are you putting yourself through harsh weather to get a single shot? Why do you keep photographing when your body is sore? Why do you keep photographing when you look at the clock and it says 4 o'clock a.m.? Why do you do landscape photography? All of the other photographers that I look up to do not photograph for the fame or to fill their Instagram feeds. While it's a nice bonus, it's just not their focus. And let's get one thing crystal clear. I'm not photographing for the fame or to fill my Instagram feed. I do it because I love it. Landscape photography is my creative outlet. I love every aspect of creating a phenomenal shot. The planning, the execution, the editing. I just love having something to show for my time and effort. My ritual for landscape photography it's almost therapeutic, and it calms me. I think in today's busy world, everyone needs an outlet where they can be at peace with themselves. Landscape photography is that for me. In my mind, the amount of time you spend doing something you love, the more fulfilled your life will be. My name is Nick Taylor. I am a professional landscape photographer. Thank you for joining me on this journey.